What's going on, BSG? Welcome back to the next video. Yeah, I know it's been a minute, man, but life has been lifing for me, so and we ain't getting started back yet on our projects here because I need to get all this stuff out of this garage, man. I'm getting to it. I'm working on it, but things are moving kind of slow right now. So we are going to get to it here eventually, and hopefully we'll be able to do stuff during the winter time here. So what we're doing today is that this is Escape. It's a 2017, and the battery is dead in it. And for the life of me, I have no idea why Ford decided to put the battery where they put it. So we're going to do what we need to do to get the battery out. So first thing first that we got to do, this thing here needs to move because this battery is down here. So yeah, we got to move all this. So we got to take the wipers off. One right here, we got one over there. Then we got clips here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips. And then we got, look like a 14 on the side, on both sides. Yep, and then we'll be able to get to it. All right, so let's get to it. So hold on, let me go find my screwdriver. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So the first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna pop these off here. This one, and let me reach over here, grab that one off, and I'm gonna set this right here to the side. All right. So this here is, I believe it's a 15. No, I'm sorry, a 5/8. It's probably a 15. A little loose, but we're gonna let it ride. Yep, we're gonna let it ride. See, I already told y'all, look at all that shit. I already told y'all what I was gonna do. Clips and these off. So just sit back and I'm gonna put y'all in hyper speed, and we just gonna go with it. All right, y'all, so we got that done. So now we need 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, and we may have something else up under here. I don't know yet, but we're gonna see when we get to it. All right, so let's take these 10s out. These are 10s. So folks, we got these. These are just about out. And here's the bad part about it too. If I was to, let me see if y'all, can y'all see me over here? Yeah. If I was to doggone take this light out, here go the bolt right here, all up under this stuff to take the light out. Jesus. Yeah, Ford, you did your job on this one. And I got a little bit of the sniffles, guys, so yeah. You may hear some snotting going on. Let's see here. Okay, so that's loose there. Oh, yeah, we got one more clip that's way back up in there. All right, one more clip. Put you right there. Oh, I forgot I didn't get this screw out yet neither.
She went back to the house. And she called me at 12:22 to make sure the car was closed. Right? I said, yeah, it's closed. Then she went back. She left. She must have forgot something. Because she went back at 1:14, opened it and closed back at 1:15.
Oh, well, she could have closed it herself, huh? Oh, she just got the opener, huh? Or do she got the code for the phone?
No, she don't have it on her phone. She's got the garage open.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell her she has no track of time, bro.
All right, so folks, that is done. All right, so we got that done. So right back there is another clip. Let me see if I can just snatch it off. Oh yeah. So here is that clip right here that goes back there, you know. So I guess this ain't too bad of a deal. This ain't bad. So therefore now we need to take these off. So I need to figure out what size that is. So we done figured out these are 10s. So we gotta take this cross brace over for the battery off. All right. I went to what you call it, told him what I needed, what battery. Huh? No, I don't think it's too wide. No, it was. See how it drops down right here? On that battery, it don't do that. It's probably gonna be both of them. All right, so this is the ground, so we can lay that anywhere. See, I could have did this a different way. I could have took this air cleaner out and took this stuff off of here, but I was reading that sometimes when you mess with this stuff up in here, you kind of throw it off and mess it up. So I didn't want to mess it up. So we'll do it like that. So here we go. Ooh, come on. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah. This mug got a little weight to it. Yeah, I need to get the gym. Okay, so here's our replacement battery. Issue I got is it going across here. So I may have to open this up a little bit, but we'll see. We shall see. I mean, dang, almost paid almost $300 for this battery. And this is the replacement battery. So let's see. I know it's going in a whole lot easier. Yeah. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah. That'll work. That shall work. Put the positive on first. There we go. Hey, how far that mug going down? Oh, just about ready to stop. All right, so that's done. So now I can throw this cover back on there. Yeah. Just want to make sure that the cover goes on like it's supposed to. There we go. All right, so let's give it a quick start. Make sure that we are up for business. Uh-oh. He did something in. Yep. So we know it works. Now, just my battery alarm and all that'll work, but watch. Somebody might try to come along here and mess with this damn. That's why nobody know where I live at right now. Yep. But this thing should be gone within a month. So let's reverse. Let's do our most. Well, no, we're not gonna say that. Let's just reverse this thing here and put y'all back in time lapse. Putting this crap back on. Okay, let's go. All right, guys, so this wasn't hard, man. It's easier than what I thought. I was looking at people doing it. This was not hard at all. By far, I can say one of the easiest things I've ever done. Oh, my bad. I forget one thing here, and that's I need to put this back. My brake booster. Yeah. See? Yep. Moving too fast. Can y'all see me right there, y'all? See the mistake I made. I didn't put this back. What was I thinking? Uh-oh. I wasn't thinking. Tell y'all, I got a lot on my plate, man, and a lot of stuff on my mind, man. And hopefully soon things can get back to normal. But this here was battery replacement for a 2017 Ford Escape. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Oh shoot, leave a nasty comment so I can laugh. I need some laughter in my life right now, so somebody do that for me. And we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. I'm gonna try my best to make the next video one of these or my other Mustang. Subscribers know what I'm talking about, so we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.